How to recover deleted data from iPhone. Let's first look at the Undo option provided by Apple. If you have iCloud Sync enabled, there's a very convenient recovery portal. You can visit iCloud's data recovery page directly, where you can find items deleted in the past 30 days from iCloud Drive, Contacts, Calendar, and Safari bookmarks, and choose to restore them individually. Please note, however, this method cannot recover photos. To retrieve deleted photos, you need to go to the iCloud website or the Recently Deleted album in the Photos app, where files are kept for 30 days. Another official method is using an iTunes or Finder backup stored on your computer. After connecting your iPhone to the computer, you can choose to restore the entire backup, but this will roll your phone's data back to the state it was in when the backup was made. When the above official methods aren't enough, for instance, if you want to recover data selectively without overwriting current data, or need to restore files deleted long ago, MagPhone iPhone Data Recovery offers an intuitive and efficient process. To start, launch the program and from the main interface, select Recover Data from iTunes. The software will automatically show all available iTunes backups on your computer. If none appear, you can click the refresh button to scan again. All backups are listed by their creation date. Select the one you need and click Scan. Once the scan finishes, your data will again be sorted into clear categories. Browse through, select what you need, and click Recover to PC to export it.